The ocean covers over 70% of the Earth's surface, the largest habitat on Earth, yet we've only explored about 5% of it. That means there's still a vast, mysterious world waiting to be uncovered and explored. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the exploration and mapping of the world's oceans, and uncover some of the most fascinating discoveries made by marine biologists, oceanographers, and other scientists. For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the ocean. It's a vast and mysterious habitat that covers over 70% of the Earth's surface. But until relatively recently, we knew very little about what lies beneath the waves. Thanks to advancements in technology, however, we've made tremendous progress in exploring and mapping the ocean floor. Ocean exploration has a long and fascinating history, dating back to ancient times. Notable explorations were undertaken by the Greeks, the Romans, the Polynesians, the Phoenicians, Scythians, Herodotus, the Vikings, the Portuguese, and Muslims. However, it wasn't until the 18th and 19th centuries that ocean exploration took on a more scientific approach. Early scientists such as James Cook, Charles Darwin, and Edmund Halley led groundbreaking expeditions that shed light on the mysteries of the ocean. During this period, oceanography began to emerge as a field of study, and systematic ocean exploration in the United States began in 1807 when Thomas Jefferson authorized the Survey of the Coast, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administrations, or NOAA's earliest predecessor. One of the most significant findings during ocean exploration was the discovery of the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a massive underwater mountain range that runs down the center of the Atlantic Ocean. This discovery was made during the 1872 to 1876 Challenger expedition, which was the first scientific oceanographic expedition. Many consider it to be the first true oceanographic expedition because it yielded a wealth of information about the marine environment. Those aboard identified many organisms then new to science. And they gathered data at 362 oceanographic stations on temperature, currents, water chemistry, and ocean floor deposits. Humans have been trying to get to the bottom of the ocean for a long time, and for this they have been trying different things for a long time, even though the bathysphere was invented by William Beebe and Otis Barton in 1930. Texts show that Alexander the Great had a similar idea. He made a glass ball, sat in it and asked for it be lowered down into the ocean. But it wasn't until 1930 that sphere actually worked, and it was used to set a new deep-sea diving record of 3,028 feet. This invention paved the way for further deep-sea exploration and the discovery of many new species of marine life. In 1960, the bathyscaphe Trieste successfully reached the bottom of the ocean, setting a new deep-sea diving record. This historic achievement was a major milestone in ocean exploration and provided valuable insights into the ocean's geology and marine life. The development of sonar technology in the 1950s and 1960s allowed scientists to map the ocean floor in unprecedented detail, revealing the Mid-Atlantic Ridge and other underwater features. This technology paved the way for further exploration and discovery. In recent years, ocean exploration has been revolutionized by advances in technology, such as remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and autonomous underwater vehicles, OVs. These technologies allow scientists to explore the ocean depths without putting human divers at risk. One of the most significant recent discoveries was made in 2019 when the ROV Deep Discoverer explored the Mariana Trench and discovered a new species of snailfish, the deepest dwelling fish ever recorded. And a new discovery shows that Earth is drinking more seawater through the Mariana Trench than previously thought, and the research team suggests that this finding may prompt a re-examination of our understanding of the global water cycle. In 2020, researchers discovered a new species of whale in the Gulf of Mexico. These discoveries highlight the continued importance of ocean exploration and the need for further scientific study. But that's not all what the ocean holds. Seawater contains over 40 minerals and metals, shows a research done by Stanford University. The ocean is a vast resource for mineral resources, with geological processes responsible for the formation and concentration of these resources. The ocean hosts many types of minerals that differ from those occurring on land, including ferromanganese crusts, manganese nodules, and phosphorites. While interest in these minerals as potential resources has led to detailed sampling in many regions of the global ocean, there are no commercially developed deposits at this time. Manganese nodules and cobalt crusts are two types of marine minerals that could potentially rival the amounts of copper, cobalt, and nickel found on land. Several methods have been proposed for extracting minerals from seawater, including solar evaporation, electrodialysis, membrane distillation crystallization, and adsorption. The concept of recovering minerals from seawater has been proposed as a way of counteracting the gradual depletion of conventional mineral ores. Currently, there are no commercially developed deposits of marine minerals, but research and development are ongoing to create viable industries for extracting minerals and gases from seawater. Extracting minerals from seawater is an energy-intensive process that requires extensive research and development to create viable industries, while the process is more environmentally friendly than terrestrial mining. Extracting minerals from seawater can be potentially cost-prohibitive due to the large volumes of water that need to be processed, which consumes vast amounts of energy. However, the economic viability of extracting minerals from seawater could increase in the future as demand for minerals that can be profitably extracted from seawater continues to grow. Even though scientists are working very hard to explore and map more of the oceans, we have still only explored 5% of the ocean in depth and mapped only 10% using modern sonar technology. Ocean exploration has given us many interesting findings such as glow-in-the-dark sharks in New Zealand or discovery of an ancient miniature sea monster. The creature was a nothosaur, a group of marine reptiles that lived during the Triassic period, and was discovered in China. Oceans also play a crucial role in geopolitics, but that's a topic for another day. With our natural resources depleting, ocean and space exploration are humanity other options for continuing our survival. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can support the channel by subscribing and like the video so that YouTube knows we exist.